Hello friends, got a simple one for you today. All this is this Lenovo ThinkPad has come in for a upgrade. It's got a hard drive on it, but it wants to be upgraded to a SSD. So I'll show you how to do that. First of all, remove the battery. Okay, keep a container nearby or a pot or something to keep the screws in. I don't think the screws will come out of this cover anyway. So we're going to remove the back cover, and that will enable us to access the hard drive. Right, now let's see if we can pop this back cover off. There's one screw there, did I loosen that one? Okay. So what we need to do is get into the gap here. You can see that? Okay. Because make sure there's no SD card or anything else in the laptop, because you don't want to damage those. Did I unscrew that one? Okay, so we've exposed the inside of the machine. Now the hard drive is just here. Now let's have a look how this comes out. Do we need to remove anything? Okay, there is a screw just there. Can you see that there? Okay, there is a screw there, and that should remove. Okay, the other screws, if you haven't noticed, stayed in the back cover. They're not going to come out, which is, I think, it's fantastic. Some machines, you know, the actual screw does come out. Now if we just lift this, push this back, or maybe lift this out, okay, lift it up slightly, and that will enable us to access the hard drive. We'll take the hard drive out. Okay, now you've got this cushioning here, so it's like a shock resistant rubber frame that goes around the hard drive. This you can also use in the new one. Now I haven't got an SSD that I want to use yet. I'm going to order one, but just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you. There's one here, okay, and all you do is again, you've got the slots for the casing. Pop that in there, like so. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. It's not you know, not hard, but again, some people are kind of scared to open these devices up. And there's no need to be, as you can see. Okay, so I think this goes in this way. Yeah, it goes the opposite way around. Yeah, and then you pop that down, and it will still hang up slightly. So slowly, take your time, put the screw in, and there you go. Okay, now I'm not going to put the back cover on yet. I just want to see that the hard drive has been picked up. Now just put the back cover on. We don't have to screw it in, although this one we can screw in because the battery won't fit in correctly. Okay, let's just slide in the battery. Okay, and that's locked in place now, that won't come out. So, and let's just power it up. Let me get a charger for it. Put the charger in. Okay, so that battery is genuinely flat. Okay, now this should come up with a message. Okay, you see this one's already got something installed on it, so this drive is absolutely fine. But that's how you install an SSD into a Lenovo ThinkPad T450. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I post basic repairs, things that you can do at home, not something too complicated. Some of the videos are complicated, some of them are not. This one is a pretty straightforward one.